Hi everyone, this is Dustin with Homegrown Land Design. Wanted to reach out to y'all today and talk a little bit about the honeyberry shrub. This is kind of an uncommon shrub. Many people really don't even know about it. It's just starting to hit the shelves at your local garden center. This is a shrub 4 to 6 feet tall and around. It can take part shade. It is disease resistant, pest resistant. Pretty much nobody knows about it. It's native. It's amazing. And it bears abundant crops, kind of like a slightly tart blueberry. And this is the earliest producer from a fruit perspective that we have in Zone 4 in the temperate climate. Let me just look in here. This looks kind of, you don't really see anything going on, right? Check this out. Boom. Loaded. Absolutely loaded. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's our little friend Comfrey back there. Honeyberry, comfrey. I see a pond, I see myself. Let's try one. Yeah, absolutely amazing. Slightly tart, just how I like it. There's some rhubarb, maybe we'll make it up with some rhubarb, make a jam or something. I just put it in my oatmeal, eat it fresh, it's delicious. It is Friday night, so tonight it's in a little cocktail. Might as well enjoy. I highly urge you all to try this. Let me give you a zoomed out view here. There's a honeyberry, rhubarb. We have 4 varieties we grow here, and they all have different shapes, different forms. Flavors are pretty similar, but go out and try one. Take care, y'all. Have a great evening.